Good morning, students. Welcome back to today class. The last class we saw about first lesson, and the today class we are going to see about second lesson. And your second lesson name is Our Beautiful Country. And the second lesson name is Our Beautiful Country. In which is our country? So India, it's called our country. So in this lesson fully we are learned about different types of landforms. So before see this topic, the first of all 4 pictures are given, isn't it? So can you guess it? So what topic is given? So look at the picture and identify the different landforms. So here 4 pictures are given. Can you guess it? What picture is this? So this place fully covered with green land, and this green land it's used for agriculture purpose. A flat piece of land, it's called plains. The plains areas are used for agriculture. And the second one, so how it looks? So it looks like a mountains. And the top also covered with the snow. The snows are looking white in color. So the top, the most of the part fully covered with the snow. So in this so below this picture one hint is given. A high rise in this land. So high rise means so the mountains are look like a height. So the mountain has a one height, one range. So this is called mountain places. And the second one, so in this place we can see this type of plants, the cactus. So the cactus and all we can see in which landforms? So in the dry and sandy areas, a flat, dry and sandy area. So this place are called desert areas. So desert areas are fully covered with sand. Okay, next one, a high land with a flat top. So this is a look like a mountain, but it is not a proper range. So in the top we can see the flat top, high land with a flat top. So this is called plateau. Okay. So next let us see the topics. So first of all we are going to see about landforms. So in our country, what are the landforms? Landforms are there. So first one, our country is a beautiful combination of various landforms. So in our Indian country we can see the different types of landforms. So these landforms are the physical features. So these landforms are the physical features of India's. So these landforms are the physical features of India's. So what are the landforms are located in our country? So the first one, high mountains. The lush and green forest areas. First one, mountain areas. Next one, forest areas and river plains. And the next one, plains. So rivers and fertile plains areas. And next one, the dry desert. So next one, it's called dry desert. So this is called various landforms of our Indian countries. Okay, next one. So these landforms makes our country very beautiful. So what are the different types of landforms? So India has 6 main physical divisions. So India has 6 main physical division. The first one, northern mountains. So first one, it's called mountain plains, and second one northern plains, and third one the great Indian desert, so desert places. Next one peninsular plateau, so next one the peninsular plateau. Next one, fifth one the coastal region. Coastal region means that is called sea areas. Sea areas are called coastal region. And fifth one island regions. So for sixth one island region. So these are called six physical divisions of our Indian country. Okay students, so learn this learn form topics. So tomorrow class we will see about the northern mountain topic. Thank you.